This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Analytics for Squarespace. This easy guide will help you understand your website's visitors and their behavior. By connecting these powerful tools, you can gain valuable insights into traffic sources, popular pages, and user engagement. This information is crucial for making informed decisions to improve your site and achieve your online goals, helping your business thrive. First, head over to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. You will need to create a new Google Analytics 4 property for your Squarespace site. Follow the prompts to set up your property, providing your website's name and industry. Once created, locate your unique measurement ID, which typically starts with G. Copy this ID carefully, as you will need it for the next step. Now, open a new tab and log into your Squarespace account. From your main dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Advanced, and finally click on External API Keys. Here, you will find a dedicated field for Google Analytics. Paste the measurement ID you copied earlier directly into this field. Remember to save your changes to ensure the connection is established correctly. After saving, it can take up to 24 hours for data to start appearing in your Google Analytics account. To verify the connection, check the real-time reports in Google Analytics to see if your own visits are being tracked. Once data flows, regularly monitor your reports to understand visitor behavior, identify popular content, and discover areas for improvement. These insights are invaluable for refining your Squarespace site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.